So we took a quick look at the minimum CD the other day. Let's take a look at the LiveGUI today and see what we can do here. The first things first, let's emerge via catalyst, because we got a few patches in here that I showed you in the last video. And then we run catalyst S label to get the latest snapshot. We copy this and do right. I'll call it DK. Change that to default to match mine. Plug this in here. Find out what seed file I'm using. And point this to the right place. Okay. We need to make sure we've got Gen Toolkit. We have, and Squashfest tools. We have. Excellent. Right, let's build this. Catalyst AF LiveGUI stage 1 build. Set it to the right directory, Immolo. Things work better when you do that. One of these days I'll do one of these builds and it'll work first time, but until that day, enjoy the cheap laugh. So that's the first stage of the LiveGUI building. Space again.
Space, it says, is big, really big. You just won't believe how vastly, hugely, mind-bogglingly big it is. I mean, you may think it's a long way down the street to the chemist, but that's just peanuts to space. Listen. And so on.
Right, let's free some up. Really gonna have to ask Zen for some more space, I think. There we go. Luckily some cool guy made a video today about using eClean. Try that again. Right, so that's done. Let us do the next stage. So can copy out some bits. So we're going to stage 2. Let's replace this. Change that back to default and DK. Right, and we've got the disk kernel stuff there as well. All I should need to do is catalyst AF LiveGUI. They do go. Not AD. Right, run my beauty run. Oh, we're done. Let us get this downloaded then. So okay, QEMU system x86 SMP4 gig, enable KVM, and then CD-ROM. Okay, that's the one. And there we go, folks. If I fire up a terminal and type uname A, you can see I am now running a disk kernel right there. But let's not end it here. Let's pop over to here, into here, and let's do a PR to add this into Gen 2. What's this? Dilfridge, for the fun of it. Restarted the LiveGUI build. Hello. You love to see it. And it is now live. So folks, if you go and download a LiveGUI today, you'll be using the disk kernel. Thank you very much. So that's Immolo 1, and genkernel still has about, I think, 7 left. I'll go look into that. I'll do a school board or something. But genkernel, your days are numbered. I'm coming for you, boy. You can buy them, folks. See you later.